Guys, it's Q with craftyq.com, and I'm back with another table setting from the Dollar Tree. So all items that you see here were purchased from the Dollar Tree to create this very pretty and girly theme. So let's get started. The very first thing I used was this pink, actually I think it's their hot pink color tablecloth. Yes, it is their plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. And I think it looks fabulous with all the extra items on the table so that your guests aren't paying attention that you actually used a plastic tablecloth. And I have my new silver chargers. I'm not sure why I haven't purchased silver chargers a long time ago. I've been using my gold ones so often, but I went ahead and got my silver chargers. They are so cute, and I jazzed them up with my pink, actually hot pink paper plates, and then I used the Dollar Tree silver napkin ring holder, and I just added a pink napkin within that. And moving along, I have the Dollar Tree wine glasses. I mean, like if you're doing a party that doesn't have that many guests and you're able to use the wine glasses, I think it's just going to add so much to your table setting. But if you can't and you need to use paper cups, I mean, that's fine as well. I mean, with all the other things going on with this table, I don't think it's going to be an issue. And moving along, we have the Dollar Tree pink roses on the table. They only had light pink, but I actually like that because I like using contrast colors in my table settings so that, you know, everything is just not one color. So I think it does add a good contrast to the tables. And we have the centerpieces. So I did a couple different centerpieces. I have the little cylinder jars, and then I have the tea light candle in here. And this next centerpiece, I used the Dollar Tree mirror. And then I used just like a bundle of roses that had like some extra roses, and I just pulled them off the stem, and then I just put it underneath in between the mirror and the cylinder jar. And then I just attached another cylinder jar to the top, and then I added my silver bling. And I think what I might do next time is to add silver bling right here in that crease. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna try that next time. And then for this other centerpiece, actually, this is also another cylinder jar, but this time I took bling and wrapped it around the tea light candle. So I think that, you know, that kind of gives it that extra, you know, if you want extra bling, that's a good choice. If you don't want too much bling, then you can just keep it white, like in this jar right here. And then in the centerpiece again, so I have the rose from the bundle of roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got the candle in the top portion. And this one I use the Dollar Tree at the time when I go. They normally have the one size cylinder jars, but this time they actually had the taller ones. You can't really tell. Well, I guess you can. You can tell a little bit. But the one in the center for the main centerpiece is actually taller than the other one. So with this one, I put the candle in the bottom of this jar, and then I put the flower in the top. And again, I used the silver bling. And again, I think I'm going to wrap the centerpiece, the center of the jars with the silver bling. And I think it actually make it hold a little better, you know, make it a little bit more secure. Moving along, I have this same identical centerpiece as I do at this end of the table. So I was trying to get this all in the view. So the one on the ends are the same, and then the one in the center is slightly different, and it is 2 taller jars. And I think that, you know, with using different pinks, and it gives a good contrast. And then with this one, I have the pink plates with the pink napkins and the silver napkin ring. But if you think this is too much and you think your table is too busy, then you can do it without the napkin ring and without the napkin. So, I mean, your choice and how you want it to look. But I think it came together pretty well. And I like the fact that everything came from the Dollar Tree. So it was very budget friendly and it was so easy to do. And I think that your guests would be very surprised that you got everything from the Dollar Tree in order to create this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell to see more videos like this. And I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.